In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to estimate equipment costs in CostMiner, a crucial skill for managing project expenses efficiently. Whether you're a contractor, project manager, or involved in cost estimation, this guide will provide you with the essential steps to perform accurate estimates in just a few minutes. Let's start by accessing the CostMiner platform, which offers a comprehensive suite of tools for construction estimating and takeoff. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official CostMiner website. Once there, you'll see the homepage welcoming you. To proceed, locate the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Next, you'll want to navigate to your specific project. On the dashboard, you'll find a list of all your projects. Scroll through them until you find the one relevant to the equipment you're estimating. Simply click the project to open it, which will lead you to the project overview page where you can access various details about the project. Now it's time to add a new item that pertains to the equipment you wish to estimate. Look for the option, often labeled as Add New Item or a similar button. Clicking this will open up a menu allowing you to input new items into your project estimation sheet. After that, you'll want to utilize the global rates to search for the specific equipment. For this demonstration, let's say we're searching for a security fence. In the search bar provided, type fence or the name of the equipment you need. This search will pull up related items such as security fence including install and removal for a 6-month period, among others. Once you spot the correct entry, click on it. CostMiner conveniently automates the incorporation of rate and costing data for you. With the item now selected and its default costing specified, the next step involves adding the quantity or measurement you require. Enter the necessary details about how much or what length of the equipment is needed for your project. This enables the software to adjust the total estimated cost accordingly. Finally, once you're satisfied with the inputted information, check over everything to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, the process is complete and you're done. You've successfully estimated the equipment costs using CostMiner. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Remember, accurate cost estimation is essential for managing project budgets effectively, and tools like CostMiner can make this task simpler and more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more informational content related to cost management and estimation. Have a great day.